Couponing with Tisa. Hey everybody, welcome to my video. Today is Sunday. What's today? December the 12th. And we're heading into Walgreens, if you can tell by the awning in the back. And these are the deals that are good this week, the 12th through the 18th of December. You guys, 2021 is almost over. Like, gone. So there are some good deals, not that many great deals. We're definitely going to do the gift card deal. When you buy two, you get back $10 gift card from Walgreens, and then we're going to do some other deals as well. Yeah, the spin booster that I got, the digital booster I got, was spend 30, get $6 back in Walgreens cash. So a lot of the deals that I'm going to be using and doing today are going to be digital deals. There are some paper coupons and some paper coupons that you can actually print off the internet as well. So let's go ahead and head in and see what we can get today at Walgreens. Now, here's a good freebie if you are doing a online order. As you can see, I'm in the store, so I'm not doing an online order today. But there is this gold bond that is $4.79 in the store. It's actually like $2.86 online. There is a $3 digital coupon that is attaching, making it completely free. Or if you need a nice filler item for your basket for today, this is still a good deal. You see it's $4.79 in my store. Get the $3 off, makes it just $1.79. Y'all, I am so excited about this Nivea deal. I've been trying to do it all month, and my store finally have the small ones in stock. They are buy one get one half off. When you buy three, you get $5 in Walgreens cash. So they're $1.29 each, the smaller two ones. These are also included in it as well, the small one there at $1.29. Nonetheless, it's $3.23. We have this $3 off of two coupon that came out in today's save. So that's going to take it down to just 23 cents. But I'm going to get back $5 in Walgreens cash. Going to make it $4.77 moneymaker. So I'm excited about this. Yay. Of course, we're going to take advantage of the Colgate deal again. They are on sale this week, $2.99 each. When you buy two of them, you'll get back $4 in Walgreens cash. We have two $1 digital coupons that is applying to them. So that's going to be $5.98 before any coupons, $3.98 after the two digital coupons. Get back $4 in Walgreens cash, makes them completely free and a little 2-cent moneymaker. There are also some printable coupons available on the coupons.com website again today as well. Make sure you guys are checking your deodorants. There are quite a few that are marked down. So just make sure you are checking your deodorant aisles for some markdowns on deodorant items. There's another good deal on the Gillette shaving cream. They're on sale again this week. Buy one, get one half off. Buy two, get back $4 in Walgreens cash. They are cheaper online, so if you're doing an online order, of course it's going to be a little bit cheaper, but in the store you can see mine is marked for $3.49. We don't have any digital coupons or anything that can apply to them, but you will get back a $4 in Walgreens cash, which would make them just like $1.23 for both of them, so not bad. Of course, the Crest and Oral-B is a part of the deal again this week. One of the deals of the week, when you buy three or more of the participating products, you'll get back a $5 register reward. It will be a store register reward that you will get. I do still have on another account a $5 off of three. So say you picked up three of the toothpaste, or even if you went and picked up one of the Oral-B toothbrushes, it's the Scentsy Soft that's included, and also the Bacterial Blast. So you can literally pick up one of the toothbrushes, two of the toothpaste. They would be $9, take $5 off with that coupon, get back $5, makes it a $1 moneymaker. This Scope mouthwash is also included in the deal as well. So I think I'm going to do this one. I'm going to get a toothbrush, toothpaste, and a toothpaste, toothbrush, and a mouthwash for that deal. If you are in need of some razors, select Gillette razors, men and women, are on sale this week. So let me show you a scenario. They're also included in that deal of the week when you buy three. you'll get back the $5 register reward. So let me show you something you can pick up. You can pick up one of these that are at $10. So let's pick up one of these. You can come pick up one of the women razors. You can see select ones are on $10 and others are $15. The $15 ones are also a part of the deal as well, but let's just focus on one of the $10 ones. Here's a possible scenario. So I kept the Crest as a part of the deal. These two are $10 each. That makes them $23 total. We have the $2 paper coupon out of the December P&G that we can apply to that. And we have a $3 digital coupon for the women's razor and a $3 digital coupon for the men's razor. All together, it makes it $23 minus the $3, the $3, and the $2. That's going to take $8 off. That's going to take your total down to $15. Get back the $5 register rewards, takes it down to just $10 for all three of them. So it's like you're buying one and getting these two for free, which isn't a bad deal, especially if you're in need of some razors. And if you have that spend 20 get $5 back booster, it's going to make it just $4 for all of them. So that's another good deal for you. If you find these degree advanced cares in your store that are marked down to mine are marked down to $4.39, there's also a $1.50 rebate for them on Ibotta as well. Now, if you are a parent that is in need of some diapers and Huggies is your jam, they are as well a part of that spin booster deal. When you buy 3 of the select products, you get the $5. Just remember, you can only do 3 products at a time in each transaction, or you will not get the $5 register reward back, and it is a store register reward. Nonetheless, Huggies are on sale this week, 2 for $20. We do have a $4 digital coupon off of 2 that you can use on this deal. And say again, you pick up the Crest toothpaste like I did and use the $2 digital the $2 paper coupon. It makes it $23. Takes away $7. That takes your $6 in coupons. That takes your total down to $17. Get back the $5 register reward, takes it down to $12, but it gets a little sweeter on Fetch Rewards. There's some rebates on there for Huggies, for little snuggles and little movers for some points back. So check your Fetch account to see what offers that you have available for Huggies on your account, so you can get some points back, which is like money back for that on that website. On that rebate app. If you don't have Fetch, look down in my description box, click it, add it. You'll get some points just from signing up, and you'll get points back if you need to buy these Huggies as well. And you can then turn those points into gift cards. All products are on sale, all in Snuggle this week for $2.99. When you buy 2 of the participating products, you'll get back $2 in Walgreens cash. Excuse me. So you can see the liquid all is on the part of that sale, and so is the Snuggle is a part of the sale with the dryer sheets as well. Now on Team Clean everyday, Team Clean, Ask Team Clean. Ask Team Clean, there are $1 coupons that you can print off, one for Snuggle and one for all. So you can pick up both of them at $5.98. Take off the $2 in paper coupons that you can print from the website. Takes it down to $3.98. Get back $2 in Walgreens cash. Makes it $1.98 for both, or just 99 cents each. Persil is also on sale this week. The detergent and the disc at $4.99. We have a $2 digital coupon that we did receive on our account, and we also got a $2 paper coupon in today's paper as well here. So if Persil is your jam, and it is my jam, y'all know that, you can get it for just $2.99. Now we'll be doing the other deal that's inclusive of the Tide. When you buy 4 products, either Bounty, Charmin, Tide products, you'll get back $6 in register rewards. I'm going to pick up 2 of the liquid ones that are $5.25 each. I'm going to use this $3 off of 2 paper coupon that we got in the December P&G. I'm also going to pick up one of the Charmin toilet tissues that are $5.25 as well. We do have a $1 digital coupon that is attaching to it. I'm also going to pick up this Bounty Essentials. They're $5.25 each, and they also have a $1 digital coupon that's attaching. The Bounty Doubles Plus is also a part of the deal for $5.25, but My store doesn't have them, so I'm going to get what I can get at my store. So here's a breakdown of that deal. It's going to be $21 total because each product is $5.25. I'm going to use this $3 off of 2 paper coupon for the Tide, the Dollar Digital for the Bounty, the Dollar Digital for the Charmin. That's going to take off $5 in coupons, takes my total down to $16. But I'm going to get back the $6 register reward for purchasing all 4 of the items. Takes it down to just $10 for each one of these items, are like $2.25 each. That's not bad at all. So yeah, I'm definitely picking up this deal. Here is one deal that I'm going to do all together. I'm going to actually roll a couple of register rewards that I have, just because I want to lessen my out-of-pocket. They expire next Sunday, so I still have some time to use them, but again, trying to spend the least amount of money out of pocket. Plus, I'm going to get some register rewards back to replace it, and Walgreens cash, so I'm okay with doing that. So this again is my spend 30 get $6 back in Walgreens cash booster deal. So let's go check out and see how it all turns out. Don't forget to check some of your coffees that are on sale this week as well. Y'all see my favorite, which is the community coffee, on sale for $3.99. So definitely a good time to pick up some of the coffee deals that are happening this week at Walgreens. So here are the gift cards. I'm going to pick up, I think I'm gonna get a Buffalo Wild Wings one, and I'm going to get a Domino's one as well. You can get some other ones just depending on what you want to get, but I'm going to pick up both of these, pay $30, and then I'll get back I think it's $5 Walgreens gift card. So yep, gonna pick these two up. Everybody, so here is my receipt. There are the Nivea, there is the Colgate, the Oral-B, the Crest, the Bounty, the Charmin, the Tides, and the other Nivea. Here are the digitals that came off from my account. The Crest actually had a $3. I don't know why it was $3 for the Crest. The coupon clearly said $2, but I'm not sure why it was $3 for the manufacturer coupon, but we're gonna make it work. I don't know what happened. There's the $3 for the Nivea. There's the Colgate. I think that $3 Crest Complete was actually the $3 for the Tide, but it's coming up Crest. There's the $1 for the Colgates, the Bounty, the $1, and then the 2 manufacturer coupons that I rolled. Ended up being $25.55 after tax. I got back $15.39. That was inclusive of $5 for the Nivea, $4 for the Colgate, and $6 for the spend. 30 get $6 back. The $6 register reward did not print for me for the buy 4 products, so they gave me $6 on my card. Then I purchased the gift cards. Now, I think I was only supposed to purchase Domino's or maybe Subway and PlayStation or GameStop, but I bought the Buffalo's and I spent $30. It did not give me the $5. It did not prompt for the $5 Walgreens card, and I think that's because I was supposed to get Domino's or Subway or that GameStop one. But nonetheless, this is one of my favorite stores. So what he did was he gave me $10 in Walgreens cash instead, because it did not print. So thank him for that. Here's the breakdown of everything. I spent $55.55. Most of that, of course, was from my I bought a rebate money on my PayPal debit card. So here's what I got back: the $15.39, the $6 in register Walgreens cash for the register reward that didn't print, the $5 register reward I did get back for the store deal, the buy 3 deal, and I did get back $10 in Walgreens cash for the $5 gift card that I didn't get. So that was $36.39 I got back. Made it $19.16 for 14 items, or $1.37 each. Not bad at all, especially since I got 2 gift cards out of the process. So that was a fantastic deal. So get out there, get to your stores, do these deals for this week. They are pretty decent deals, so don't feel like they're not great deals for this week, especially some stock up items on some of your household supplies. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. I will be doing a giveaway this week for hitting 5,000 over there. And don't forget to follow me on TikTok as well. Until the next time, you guys, take care of yourselves and take care of one another. God bless and peace out.